Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our 10th video for Laravel blogging website, and in this video we are going to create a post CRUD in our admin panel. We have created the category CRUD in this panel. Now we will create the similarly post CRUD for our post section. We will create add, update, delete, and create add, update, delete, and read section for the post. So we have created table for the post. We have created model for the post. So this is the structure of our post table. So we have a user ID, that who is posted this data, and category ID, that which category belongs to this particular post, title, thumbnail, image, and full image detail, and tags. So we are going to create a form in which we will fill this data. For the user ID, we will save 0 for, because we are saving a data from the admin. When we create the front end, then we will save the user ID, so that when user logged in and send the data to the database, then we will save the user ID, that who is posting this data. So let's do this. So one thing more, I will do this in video. So someone asked me in the comment that how we can make the dynamic post meta title and meta description with the Laravel. So first I will define this, then we will going to create this post CRUD. So firstly we will do this, that how we can define the dynamic meta title and meta description. So this is our meta description and this is our title. So uh, with the help of yield function, so this is yield function, like we have defined for the content. So similarly we will define for the title. So for the title, and we will set the default title. So this will be admin and dashboard, so that if title is not set, then it will show the admin dashboard. So when we refresh this page, then it will show the admin dashboard. Sorry, we will get it here, title. So may it's a spelling mistake. Okay, so that is showing the admin dashboard. Now how we can make this dynamic? So what we will do, from the controller, so I will open the controller. So I will open the category controller, and let's go to the view all categories. So we are on the view all category and we have not defined the title. So what we will do here, we will create the title variable, and here we will define all category, all categories. Let's break in this new line. Okay, and similarly for the description, we also need to define the, this is this is meta description for all categories. Okay, so we need to define this in this variable. So we can make this static data as a dynamic data. So there are lots of methods to get the data from the table. So I'm just show you the example that how we can make this dynamic. So from controller we will pass this, and here in the category section, we will open the index dot this, and before the content we will define section title, and here we will define, what we will define dollar title. Okay, so we have a dollar title. So it will, so here you can see it is showing all categories. Now for the meta description, here we will define yield function. So at the rate, so we will define this, will simply define this yield, and here we will define meta description. Okay, and for the index, here we will define meta description. So this meta description will, or you can say this meta description will be our meta description. So it is saying the syntax error. So what we will do here, we will remove this, and because if you yield the function in the quotes, then we need to put only single brackets. So when we control u, then we have a description. So here you can see, sorry, we don't need this, brackets. Okay, so here you can see we have a description and we have a title. So this way we can make the meta description dynamic and make the title dynamic. Okay, so now let's move to the post section. Let's move to the post section. So you can do the same thing for the all pages. So I will do this and I will upload on the GitHub. So I just want to show you the example so that I'm used in this index page only. So now let's work on the post section. So what we will do here, the first thing we will do, we need to create a controller. So we will go to the project via admin. So I'm in the blog project. Now we will create the PHP Artisan controller, PHP Artisan make controller, and this will be our post controller, and this will be our resource controller. So that I'm putting R flag. Now it will create the controller in the HTTP controllers. Here it will create the controller. So it will take 1 or 2 seconds. So it is created here. Yeah. So now we will open this, and here we will, because we need the category also, so we need category model also, because we want to show the categories, and we will save the post according to the category. So here we will use the category, and we will also use the post model. Now in the index we will show all posts. So I will copy from the category controller and paste it here, and I'm going to remove this, and I will put this post. I will create this folder soon, and here we will add post. So our data is coming in the post. Now let's go to create the file. So in the resource views backend, I'll copy the whole category folder and name it post, and from the post I will open the index, and here I will remove this, and this is the breadcrumb. We will work on the breadcrumb separately in our separate video, so I will keep it as it is. So now posts, and this will change post, and this will be our data, and we are going to show title image. Okay, this is fine, and this will be post. Okay, and this will post, and this will be a thumb, because we are saving thumb image as a, so this is the column name, so this is thumb, and we will save the same image folder, and this will be a post, and this will be also post, edit, update, and post, and we will make the route soon. So this is the delete function, and now we are going to create a route. So let's create route web, and this is the categories, And similarly we will create for the post. So post, and here it will be post, and we also need to use the post controller. So post controller, and here this will be post. So, okay, so we have set up the routes, we have set up the post controller, but only we have set up index file, and we have also created the index view. So, and in the footer I will delete this because I don't want to show the last updated time. So let's go to the admin, and here we have a sidebar. So I will show you the sidebar. In the sidebar I have changed the link from this URL post, and this is post create. Okay, so let's go to the post, view all. So it is showing view all for the post, and let's go to the add data. So we haven't created any view file, so let's create this. So this is add, and actually we need to define in the controller also. So I will copy from the category controller and paste it here, and I'll put post, and from the add I will use here post, and we need a title. Let's go to the, we need a title. First we need to add categories. So we need category, we need to fetch all the categories in the select option. So let's create the select option, select class form control, and name it category, and here we will fetch the data of category. So we need the categories here. So what we will do here, cats equal to category, and we will fetch all the categories, and here cats, and we will fetch the cats. So let's add this. So I will use for each dollar cats as dollar cat, and for each, and we will do this in the option, and I will set the value dot dollar cat, this will be id. We will save the value as id, but we will show the data as title. Okay, we have a category, now we have a title, we need thumb, we need detail, so we have a detail, and we also I will use this detail as a text area. So text area, and the class will be same form control, and the name will be detail, and for the tags I will use the same. So this will be tags, and I'll put the image before the, I will keep the same sequence as in database. So the first is category, the second is title, and the third is thumbnail. Okay, and I will use cat, no, not cat thumb, this is post thumb, and for the full image, so full image, so I will use post image. Okay, and we have a full image detail tags. Okay, now we are ready to add the data, and similarly we will change the action of form, and okay, I will need to remove this, and now let's change in the controller for the store. So I'll copy the store functionality of category, and here I will change this. So we need the required fields, so we need the required fields title and category and detail. So title, and we need category. This is the form field name. Okay, so category, and the third one is we also need detail. Okay, and in the image we need post thumb, and here we will post thumb. So let's change this name re thumb image. Okay, re thumb image, so it is re thumb image here, and this is the category, but we need a post, and this will be post. Okay, title is title, detail, title, thumb. Okay, so thumb will be re thumb, and for the let's comment this post thumbnail. So this is our post thumbnail, and for similarly we will create the post full image. Okay, so this will be a post image. Okay, so post image, I'll say this variable as a full, so this is full image, and also use full, and here so image. So let's verify that we have a add functionality. So uh, actually let's verify the form post image. Okay, so now this is the post image, post image, image, re full image. Okay, we are fine now. Thumb, this is the full image name. Okay, so this is the full image. We need detail, so detail is coming. We need tags, so let's say tags, and the name is the form is tag. Okay, tags. Okay, now we are saving all the data, and we are now we will show this message. Okay, let's try to add the data. So we will go to the form, and here you can see we have a category. So let's create the another category. Let's create category 2, category 2 detail. So this is detail. So submit this, and now let's go to the add new post. So now we have a two categories. Let's mark this which field is required with the asterisk sign. So I will mark this with the span. In the span tag I will use a asterisk sign, and I will use also class text danger, so that it will make the asterisk sign red. Okay, so we need the title required, and we also need category required, and we also need detail required. Okay, so let's save this data without this without filling these fields. So let's save this data. So it will show the error title and detail because the category is selected. So the first category is default selected category. So validation is working. Now we are going to save this data. So let's save this. So this is, I'll say this is, oh sorry, this is first post, and I'll choose the thumbnail. So this is a thumbnail, and I'll choose this is the mail, and this is first post detail, and let's say tag 1, tag 2, submit. So it is saying that user don't have default value. Okay, we also need to save the user. So what we will do here, we will save user ID as a 0. Okay, it means admin is saving the data. So let's refresh this page, and post title 1, thumbnail image 1, full image 2, and this is post title 1 detail, and tag 1, tag 2, submit. Cat id does not have default value. We are not saving the category. Sorry for this disturbance. Okay. Category. So what is the name of the category? Category. Now let's verify all the fields before it's showing the error. We are saving user id, cat id, title, thumb, full image, detail, tags. User id, title, user id, cat, title, thumb, full image, detail, tags. Okay. Now let's say what will happen now. Category 2, post title 1, thumbnail 1, and thumbnail 2, and this is detail 1, and this is tag 1, tag 2. So save this. Okay, finally we have saved the data. Let's see in the post table. Let's see. So we are saving the data, and we have images. So let's check the images, and let's check the images also. So in the images folder, we have we have the same image name. Okay, so let's change let's change this variable image 1, and this will be image 2. Okay, and now let's do this again. Now let's create another. I'll delete this data. Let's create another post, and this is post title, thumbnail, and this will be a image, and this will be a detail, and this will be tag 1, tag 2. Save. So let's see this. Refresh. Let's go to the. So we have the same image name. So thumb, in the thumb we have a image this, and in the full image we have image this. Okay, let's see in the detail page. Let's see in the list page that what is it is showing. So this is the image of thumb we are showing. Now let's add one more image here, full image. So this is the full image, and I'll show this field as a full. Okay, and after the image I'll show this. Let's check this. So what is the name of the full image? Full image, full img. Sorry. So it is saving the same image name. So let's try to find out this why it is saving the same image name. So it is post thumb. So we have a post thumb, and here we have a post image. So this is the post thumb, and this is the post image. So these two are very different from each other. And here in the post controller we have a destination. So let's define this destination also. 1 1, and this will be 2, and this will be 2. Now let's see what happened. Let's see. because we have defined all the all different variables now, and full image and a thumb. Let's see and add another data. So this is post title 2 and this is the thumbnail. So I'll choose 2, and for the full image I'll choose 1, and detail will be detail, and the tag 1, tag 2. Save. Let's go to the list. It is saving the same image. Okay, we need to actually we need to find out the error. So why it is doing this thing. So has file post thumb. So we are saying that type file name post thumb name post image. So why it is seeing the saving the same image. So this is thumb re image full, sorry, re thumb image. And for the full we are saving re full image, and this is 2. And if request has file this, then we are requesting this file, and we are requesting this we are also using this time function so that the renaming problem will not occur. So why it is saving the same image name. Okay, we need to figure out this. I just need 1 minute to do this. mm, Images public path. Let's change the folder. Let's change this in the thumb, and for the full I'll change this in the full. Okay, I have created the folder also. So let's change this, and then we will see what happens. So add data, and category 1 post title 3, and in this we will save detail, and thumb for the thumbnail I'll use, okay, we are yeah, so this is the add file, 2, and this will be 1, and this will be tag 1, tag 2. Save, and let's check in the all data. So it is showing nothing, because we need to define the full, and actually this is the full, and this is the thumb. So now we have both images are different. Actually we need to save the images in different folder, because the name is saving the same name, so that it is showing the, it is overriding the file and showing the same data. Okay, I hope you understand all the things. So that it is it has taken time to verify this. So we are saving this images in different folder, in two different folder. In this we are saving the full image, and in the thumb folder we are saving the thumb images. Now we have created the read section, we have created the add section. Let's create the update section, and then we will create the delete section. So for update we need to edit the data. So I'll copy from the edit functionality. So I'll copy from the edit, and this is the category data. So we'll need this category data, but we also need the post data. So I will use this data post. Actually we need all categories. Okay, and data equal to data dollar data. Okay, so let's open the update function, and I'll not copy the form over all form data, all form element. I'll just this update post, and here we will post, and this will be post also. And title, we are finding the title, and I'll remove this image. I'll not remove this image, I will use as a thumb. Okay, so this will be after title actually, so this will be come after title. And for the category, I'll copy from here, and for we need to select the selected category, we need to make the selected category. So here we will add the condition, if $cat id equal to $data cat id, then what we will do here, so we will make this selected. Okay, and in the else condition we will save the option but without selected, and here we will end if. Okay, so in the update section we have here we have created the update title, this is the title, and in the title we need to show the thumbnail, so this will be thumb, and this will be the name, what is the name of, so this will be post thumb. This is the hidden field, because if user not selected any image, then we need to save the same image. Okay, so that we are creating here hidden field. Now for the full image we will copy this, and let's say full, and this will be full. What is the name of what is the title of full image, so this is full image, and this is post image, and this is full image, post image, and this is post image. Okay, so this is full image, and we have a detail, and similarly we need to create, I'll copy the tag and detail from the add form, and here we will data detail, and here we will copy this, and here we will show the tags. Okay, so we are ready to update the data. Let's see the update functionality. So let's go to the update functionality. I'll close this update. So it is not showing the image, so actually we are not showing the update template. Yeah, so we have all the data. Let's say selected category 2. We need to create the functionality for this, so I'll not copy from the category, I'll copy from my store function, and I'll copy in the update, and here what we will change, so validation will be same, this will be same, and one thing we need to change, if user has not file, then what we will do, we will save the same file. Okay, so we will request the post thumb, and similarly we will request the post image. So if user not selected any file, then we will save the same file. Okay, so this is the hidden, this will become from the hidden field. And for the post, we will find the post first, and then we will save the data. Okay, so actually we don't need the user ID, because we are not creating the data, we are saving the data. And in this we need this functionality. We are because we need to redirect on the same page. So here we will put post, and the data has been updated. Okay, so let's change this data and let's see what will happen. So I will change the category and submit. So it is saying that integrity thumb cannot be null. So let's see, re-thumb image. So if user request has file, then this, else post thumb. So what we have in the update functionality, we have post thumb and value is change. We need to change the value actually, but we have saved. Okay, now we have a value. Now let's change the category, submit, and the data has been updated. All things are changed, our category has been changed and the image is same. Let's change the image, and I'll change this and submit. So image has been changed. Okay, so our update functionality is working now. Now the last functionality is delete functionality. Now let's say we want to delete this two row. Now we are going to create the delete functionality. So I will copy the code from the destroy function and put it in the post controller in the destroy method. So I will put post. So I will delete where this delete, and here I will put post. So it will redirect on the post. And in the index function, we have changed the, we are confirm that you really want to delete this, and let's delete the post. So delete. So we have completed our functionality. We have completed our CRUD functionality. So we have seen that how we have learned that how to create, read, update, and delete data in Laravel with the MySQL database. So we have learned lots of things. We have learned that how to show data in view files. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we have also seen that how to solve any error if any error occurs. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe, and please share this video as much as you can. And if you think any improvement from my side, then please comment. And thank you for watching this, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.